Hi guys, so before we end the pitching part, I would like to introduce to you guys some demos that we have been done like with some of our partners in different fields of industry that we have mentioned above. So let's discover. The four industry I want to show you demo today is real estate, tourism, bank and showrooms. So this is our real base location map, and as you can see in here there's a lot of like home in here and some big like building in here as well, which is some of them are belonging to our partners, some of them are belonging to Bizverse to show user what we can do in this map. And this is the Bizverse city. There's a examples of some of our partner has been already been in this metaverse is here. We just have the partnership with them like some few weeks ago. It's ZB, and we already building the building for them. Already built this building for them, and they are live on air with Metaverse. And the next step for those are to make marketing, branding, and some other integration of their product system into our Metaverse world. So I think we can move on to the first industry that I mentioned, the real estate one. We have a very successful project with some of our partners. This one is the Laquinara Hội An. So taken to the part of this location, Laquinara Hội An has been brought to Metaverse in this way. So this project we will have two options to view. The first one is VR 360 and the second one is VR Insight. And we try to simulated it with the same light as outside for the VR Insight, and the VR 360 will reflect the same as outside. So what is VR 360 actually? So let's discover it. So this is the Lacunara, the Pride Hoi An. So let's discover this. So it's like a tour. You can have access from the sky view by a drone in here for any area in this project. So the VR 360 is for the audio visual simulation of an augmented project, and it will allow you to look around the project in all directions, just as they can be in the real life. So I think we can go jump into any area in here to see. So let's go to this shop tells. This is a fashion shop in La Pinara project, and user could jump into the overview of the internal furniture, their products in the fashion buildings on this ground floor. There's a fashion like a desk, like shelters in here. And in here you can see that in the top right corner there's a map. So this building will have some type of there's 5 floors for this, and you can access to any building in here by just clicking into them, or the same as the second, third, or even fourth and fifth floor. Here you are. This is a demo of a room like which is represented by this Laquinara Hoi An projects. So we try to do like to give our users and also our partner who want their user to have a lot of like a great experience and give them the best experience. Here you are. There's a balcony over there to look around for the whole project. So that is our VR 360. So I think we can move on to the VR Insight. So to see what Bitverse has actually done to bring them into Metaverse, and what our users or the customer or any other outside user who want to try on the Laquinara project can see. So you can have your avatar, your name set up. You can change them. Here you are. Let me change this to here. Okay. So your microphone, your audio. Okay. So you can use the WA S or D to move in here, or maybe your right mouse to teleport to any like a very short range of place. So this one user in this space could not just only interact with each other, but they could also experience the simulated environment as the same as outside in this project space we have been created like this. You can walk around, you can hear the bird sound, turn on your microphone like this here, and speak to each other, or maybe just like share your screen if you want to, like how to say, um, to give your friends or somebody like invited guests to see what you want to see, to show them, and you just need to share your screen like this, and you don't need to get into any other like third party platforms, and you can also move this one as well. The same with like some 3D models in here later on when in the sketch fab models like this, which is created by our space studio, or maybe even upload in outside into the Bitverse world ecosystem. You can create one and also move them into some places and put them into this space. The view, the interaction in like even the bird sounds in and the vibrancy of the project in this space are the same as outside environments. And also in this space, when you finish logging in into your account, like you can also do this, and also you can check the object in here that has already been created by you. And in here also you can check how many people in here can go to are in this like space. And later on, like when you're filling up with some our space like in like this, we give our user the best experience and the best way to see, to check, and before they went to any other place like this. So they can have a look at the exterior outside and to see like if this project worth to experience, to go to visit them, and it gives more like is the way to experience the metaverse world. So I think we can move on to the next part, like next industry. It called the banking, VIB, Vietnam International Bank. So here it is located in here. So in this building, you can also rotate to see the actual like view from this building as well, like this. There's two options to rotate left and right for to see the building in here. Yes. So this building is selling tower of VIB in here. It also has two options. So let's go to the VR 360 tour. You see, like you see, it's the outside, like all the even the skies and all the things in here, and the places to go in, walk around, to walk in into this VIB headquarter is the same as outside. So let's go to this inside of this one. There's logos and every like how to say every corner, every places which is important and required by VIB. We will put them into this information if some user need to go to see check this one, and where they could get the information to see here also as well. This this is a place for the business partner from VIB place. So okay, so this is outside. It was almost the every single every single project partners from us will have different requirements and information of how they want to how they want the VR 360 to go on, and we will do it like we will integrate all the information into the system. So that is VR 360, and this is the VR inside of the VIB car showroom. the procedures of every single space are the same. You can join the space, check your avatar, change your avatar, set up your names and microphone and audio checks. So this is one project we have been doing with the Vietnam International Banks, and you can see in here there's different zone which represents different types of cards. They already want to show the user in here as well, in here. And we also attack some of their links that go to their website, and we do not interfere in any kind of database from this, like this. The user, we only just take the user in here. Like you can see, like there will be the list of user will appear in this place, and our users can also go to this site, their site, to see their information. Let me click on some of this in here. So here, sorry because it's in Vietnamese, but this is how they promote themselves to do branding marketing. They create a subdomain for this, like this type of card, and we will attack them into this our Bizverse metaverse. So so the user can go directly to here and can apply for this as well. And each zone like this will be customized due to their requirements, the VIBD requirement. And also there's a lot of marketing activity or marketing materials in here we can do for them, like making a standee or any backdrop if they any like events they want to show. And in here as well, there's a live card, like it's a loop. It's a loop way they do for all the type of card they want to show the users. So and here as well. So I think this is the way that we want to show you guys to the demos and all the stuff for to see like how we bring this business, even the banking, to metaverse. So I think we can move on to the third one, is the tourism. So tourism, that's a famous sport in Vietnam. So it is Hoi An, and we can see in here there's a place we have been already deploying all the yes and areas to Bizverse metaverse in here. So the project is still ongoing, but you can see like inside of this project as well. So let's go to visit Hoi An a little bit. So travel restriction in within this country across all the country in the world as a result of different government COVID-19 response, that has resulted in a shift to a travel chance. So tourist information, they do different type of search method to go, and this is a way how we bring like tourism to metaverse. You can see in here, this is the Hoi An metaverse. You can travel, walk around, visit some place in here as well, like this. The name of the road, or even the how to say the name of the road, and the outside, like every stop in here was like reflected the same, like mirroring. And so Hoi An City has planned to collaborate with us on a tourist digital transformations project called this Hoi An Metaverse project, to promote Hoi An tourism to be more like broadly in a new context. You can see in here even the name, like the name, the location. Like user could also, like, they are in a digital environment and they simulated their visit to Hoi An, and go to this one, and later on they will need like just go to the real location and experience themselves as well, with the food, with the any kind of activity can do outside. So inside this space, you can have a look at this spot, all the ground, the design of the building like this uh, outside, and you can also have a walk through this, like on the road. So some monuments like attractions or some relic size like this. uh, and traditional craft village in the here, like all the building like this, in will be digitalized on the 3D maps of the Bizverse world with 3D image, the 360 space, or featuring some voiceover of local guys by using AI technology at points. Like later on in the future, we could put some like tourists, like some machine or front desk, or even a local guy in here with the voice of local as well to show users that like what is in this place, what we show in here, and what they could do, like or what they could visit in this place, and it will be represented in many language so that many users in other countries could also integrate, but the mainly what will be the English first. So in additionally, like Hoi An will continue to plan some to plan to organize some artistic and cultural programs in here. So let's visit this place. Okay, this is the An Hoi Bridge that we just like start from there, and also this is the lake, and also in here this place you can see they could also create some events in here as well to develop some new tourism products and collaborate with some business destination in the city to improve the service quality as well and to meet the needs of and the taste of domestic and international service. In here you can share your screen like this, attach themselves into this space with big screen, and later on if they any like kind of festival or events we can create some like sit in here and some music like stage in here as well so that people could have a walk through this and see to check the events of this, and actually in Metaverse to join a live show in here as well. So that is how we integrate like the tourism into Metaverse, and this project is still ongoing. You can see outside like there's a many place still are like been waiting to be deployed into Bitverse Metaverse, and that's how we do. So I think we can move on to the last part, like the showroom part in here as well. Okay. Okay, so this is the place, the building of Toto showrooms. Let's check a site. So Toto showroom, which has like a VR 360 tour in here, because they sell products and they want their users, their customer, to have like the real experience in this digital environment, and people they can have a look like at the outside, the inside of the product, how they can put into rooms, and how they are like how what is their like all the information of the details information of the product as well. So let's go to this total showroom. In here there's a line like that shows what is here, all the place and like others like tours prop up or any like example of rooms that has been like doing with their products. So let's go to this part. So you can see in here, let's jump into closer of products. So okay, in here in each product there will be information like detailed information like this, and also like you can click into them and to see like what they sell in here, and all the information in here when customer jump into the world like of Metaverse. They when they click into the other attached link from our partners, we do not interfere. I just want to remind like we do not interfere in any kind of business like later on with them. We just if they want to get like connected to us, they will need to go to our Bitverse e-commerce e platform. So Here's a tour of a Toto showrooms and how they are located in this place, and all the demos rooms and demos areas like this. This is one of the demo rooms, like a toilet rooms that be will be in on the house, so a user can go to this to see the many examples of demo rooms in here. So before they choose or any products in here, or they can see like how the internal designs of like toilet rooms or the bathroom like will be. And there's a lot of option for user to see what is outside in the real location of the total showrooms will be the same as the inside of this. Here here's a tons of project of various of any products that which is represented by Toto, and they all have their detailed information. Also, this is a video showing like how the clean of this kind of product going. So let's jump into see like this product. Okay, so here, this one. So there's some products in here which is has some videos of showing like previewing, but some of them which is not as well. So our users like and also partner user, especially like here is Toto, they can enjoy themselves in making all the experience on before going to the real location. So all the products has its information, and even the demo videos on YouTube for user to check it out, and in the information of the website checks as well. So let's take a part of seeing like all this, how this going. And I think this is the end of our demos, and that is also what we can bring the business, our partners, to Metaverse in different industry. And later on, we can show you more of the demos for other industry as well, like entertainment, education as well. And I think this is the end of my part. So thank you for your listening. And later on, this metaverse is filling up with many buildings and many aspects in here. That's like when we have been like taking more partnership with other place. So thank you guys for all your listening, and I hope you guys enjoy this demo.